Today's video is super interesting because today we will discuss about the step-by-step guide if you're dreaming to take your pharmacy career from India to USA. Yes, USA. Donald Trump's USA. Tariff Trump's USA. Let's begin how you can take your pharmacy career from India to USA in 2026. First, let's complete your eligibility. If you have graduated after 1st January 2003, then you must have at least 5 years in pharmacy curriculum, and your journey begins by obtaining FPGEC certification, which validates your Indian education. As a mandatory part of it, you must pass the TOEFL IBT English Proficiency exam. Next, you will need to tackle the main licensing exam, that is FPGEE, which proves that you have enough pharmacy knowledge to practice. Next, followed by NAPLEX, and then you have to clear the state-specific examination of an MPJE, just like other US graduates. After passing your examination, you will need to complete the supervised internship, which ranges around 1,500 supervised hours in USA settings. Now begins the crucial task, that is to attain the work visa, often from the lottery-based H-1B system, that controversial H-1B system. Here is a crucial pro tip which you need to understand. You need to apply through on universities or non-profit organizations because they are often exempted from this visa cap. But you need to keep in mind that the payoff for this is an annual salary that ranges around 1,30,000 US dollars. Yes, 1,30,000 US dollars. At the same time, you also need to be prepared for a 2-year to 4-year exam journey. Yes, this process might take time, it's challenging as well, but there is one skill that you need to inculcate in order to sustain this process, that is patience. Be patient and work hard. Success will always be yours. If you found this video helpful, like this video. Share this video with all your friends who think that they can migrate to USA becoming a pharmacist. And yes, if you need any help, you can contact to Elite Expertise. All you gotta do is just contact to the given numbers on the screen, or you can just comment Elite in the comment section. One of our admin managers will try to reach out to you to help you, guide you, prepare for your pharmacy licensure exams. What are you waiting for? Comment now. Subscribe to Elite Expertise, and yes, don't forget to hit that bell icon.